Today it's my third day. I had purchased natural gas, and before I show you the daily chart, we can have a look at this weekly time frame, and we can see that the natural gas have a very strong uptrend. We had a double top here, went strong down twice, and this is the second week. We have a bullish trend on the upside. And above all, it's very interesting to see that this major weekly trend on a long-term basis have respected this 200 exponential moving average when it comes to the weekly charts. So this is every time you see that there's buyers stepping in here at this level and also here with the orange, it's the 200 weeks average price for natural gas. So it's about 4 years of average price. And 2 weeks ago, once more, their natural gas hit this 2 year medium or average price for 2 years. And we can see once again a strong buying pressure. Let's have a look on the daily chart here. You can see we have a double bottom here, which usually is very bullish. And I went in here slightly below these 3 daily candlestick bars. And we can see we have a minor bullish candlestick bar here on daily chart. And in the 4 hour time frame, we can see it easier here that first of all, we have a signal bar here that's very strong. You can see that this 4 hour chart bar is much larger than all of these candlestick bars you can see here. So this was for me an obvious sign that I got an edge for a profit trade here. And I waited to see what's happening here. And as I always do as a price action trader to get maximum profits and minimum loss, I'm waiting for the pullback. And you can, if you look from this level here up to this top level, so due to Fibonacci retracement, we have about 60% pullback here, which is very strong Fibonacci level or pullback. And I went in here of that reason. And here we can see a minor supply zone. So I will actually cash in my almost 1,800 euros in profit. So it was very good, this trade, for the last 2 days or so. So I'm very happy with this trade. And we can see that we have risk-reward relation of 6.5 ratio here. So my profit is 6.5 higher than my risk. So I will cash in and close it. So that was it. Now I will look if it will show any further strength on the upside. Because at this very moment, I don't want to stay put in this bullish trade. So I want to wait and look for the daily chart to see if it really will go above this 20 EMA moving average here. So let's see what happened. And don't forget to push my subscriber channel. You will not regret it. Take care. Bye.